Hello friends, this video is the unboxing and testing of a Ferrari laFerrari RC car. It is RC the door supercar. It's 1:16 in scale. It's a nice car. It can move forward, backward, turn left, right, and the doors can be opened too by the remote. Cut this tape from here to open the flap. You may use a knife also if you want. Open this flap. To pull this back, it has car, remote, charger and rechargeable batteries. This car looks fine. These are the rechargeable cells. They are 1.2 volt cells. Remote in the car. Unscrew this bolt to take the remote out. Now the time of the car. Unscrew these bolts too from the car. This is the last bolt. And your car is unlocked. These gates are opened by default. It has a direction adjust, switch and a charging port on its back. Unscrew this to open this panel. Insert these rechargeable cells in the car. To do that, open it by a cutter or a knife, like this. Now insert these cells with the correct polarities in the car. Don't add north in the position of south pole. Diagram is given on the cardboard, so it will be easier for you. Insert all 4 cells. These are rechargeable. Don't mix rechargeable and non-rechargeable batteries. It may explode if you charge them. Tighten the screw. This is the charger. This is to be inserted here. Now the time of this remote. Unscrew this. Open this cover. You need to buy 2 1.5 volt cells for this remote. Now insert this cover again. switch this car on. Let's control this car. Its doors are working by this remote. Its front wheel can turn left, right. These wheels can move forward and backward. The lights are working too. Let's test this car. We'll also do some stunts. I think you wanna know how to charge this car. So I've inserted a part of charging here. Insert this point at here. Ensure that your car is turned off, elsewise it will not be charged. Insert it in the wall socket and turn the switch on. The red light must come. It denotes that the charging is in progress. Let's do some stunts. Life is boring without stunts and taking risks. How is this? And this.